random. The fuck, man?
तो कैसे आप
So, hi guys, my name is Shubham Chauhan. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going for a short ride near Palghar. Its location name is like Sinchan Lake. Well, not really Sinchan, but Sinchan. So, let's see how is the location. And today, I am late by 15 minutes. I hope I don't get traffic near, as usual, Fountain Hotel. Let's see, my friends is waiting near petrol pump. I hope we will be waiting for me because I'm late for first time. On the other side, I all the time and others are late, but this time I am late and others are all time. So yeah, he's waiting over here. Tell sir. So as you get the reaction, will you come late for the ride? Okay, they are waiting there.
A few inches later.
So as you can see, traffic over here. I said that I don't want this traffic, and traffic is here, and this is huge. I'm seeing this for first time. Traffic near Guidebook. The potholes and traffic, is what a combination for a ride. The morning at 6:30.
रुको जरा, सबर करो. बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का. हाँ.
The R15 is struggling in the potholes and traffic. All bikes struggles in these potholes. Oh fuck, well. हा आता जाऊन फायदा नाही. आता कुठे जाणार? मग कधी जायचं तिथून? इकडेच आहेत ते लोक. आय होप देयर इज नो ट्रॅफिक ऑन गुजरात हायवे. I don't know traffic over there. So what the fuck, man? Why is so much traffic over here? I haven't seen so much traffic on this road, man. And it's fucking 6:40, man. 6:40 of morning. Oh, where the fuck they are going, man? All trucks. I hope this will be the empty road. I don't know what traffic now is. It's fucking 7 a.m. now. We need to reach our location before 9. No point in going, it's in the afternoon. we have a Ladakh over here. Is it point going up here? Okay, let's go from here. I don't want to go from Ladakh. We will go from Manali only. The road is. They're coming alongside wells. What the fuck? Let's see. Which bike is this? Bugwell, I think so. Bugwell also do off-roading. The bikes do the off-roading well. In India, all bikes are made for that only. The fuck? I don't want traffic anymore. Where the fuck we are, wells? In the traffic or for a ride, well? Oh, there is a huge accident on opposite side. This road goes to same Iran, as I know. Damn! The fuck, man? What the fuck? I know you own a small car. That's not a feeling you can go anywhere on the road. During the sunrise, you can see on your right side. The truck sucks, man. Really, this sucks, man. Sucks. They just stop on the middle of the highway. So hi guys, we almost reached the location. Location is around 18 kilometer, and as you can see, the road is straight ups and down. So I need to change my GoPro angle because the road is beautiful now, and I seriously need to change the angle, because in this angle you can understand the road, the feel of the road. I have done this road before, and I seriously like this road, man. Watch, man. What the road? You don't need a high speed over here. Seriously, you need only 50, 60 and enjoy the road.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And night. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and then I fall too deep. Maybe letting our way to save me, a superhero in your sleep.
So we are doing little offloading over here. As you can see, these are not the roads actually. Oh, now I can understand that I can't ride Avenger on off roads. Yes, I can, but it's very risky. So, if this should be late. इथे जाऊया पुढे पण नको ना इथेच जाऊया चल मग.
Maybe letting our way to save me, a superhero in your sleep. A superhero in your sleep.
So we are leaving this location. यहाँ पर इतना मतलब अभी ये गिर जाता है इधर डॉमिनर वाला. So guys, videos ends here because my GoPro memory card is full now because I recorded video in 4K for you and now it's full. So next time I need to carry more memory card and battery backup. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, comment down your thoughts. Make my YouTube channel 1000 subscriber. That's my target on this video. See the road, man. This is crazy. I really like the road over in this area, man. So bye bye. I will see you in the next video.
Okay, thank you.